Enter the video idea, hit the Create button, select the video style and story and input type. Step 1, it generates the story. Step 2, it generates the storyboard. Step 3, generates the final video.
In ancient Greece, the abduction of Helen by Paris of Troy ignited a fierce war, challenging honor and loyalty. For a decade, Greek warriors besieged Troy's fortified walls, engaging in legendary battles and heroic deeds. The Greeks devised a cunning plan, presenting a giant wooden horse as a deceptive gift to Troy. Under the cover of night, Greek soldiers emerged from the horse, opening Troy's gates to bring its downfall.